Welcome to JH. If you have been searching for a dependable password manager, NordPass is undoubtedly one of the premier options available today, known for its sleek design, ease of use, and high-level security. Let's dive into the setup process as I walk you through every step. To get started, your first move is to create an account. If you are a new user, head over to the official NordPass website and find the Sign Up or Account Creation button. Upon clicking, you will see several plan options, including a free version that is perfect for those who want to test the service before committing. There is no pressure to choose a premium plan immediately while you are still exploring. After selecting your plan, you will be asked to identify your browser, whether it is Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another version. NordPass will then direct you to the specific extension download page for that browser. Simply click Add Extension and confirm the installation. In just a few moments, the tool will be integrated into your browser, and you will be ready to proceed. Once the installation is complete, launch the application to begin the configuration. You will first need to provide an email address to register your account. From there, you will be prompted to generate a robust password that incorporates uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. This step is vital for maintaining account integrity. As a helpful tip, ensure this password is entirely unique and not something you have used on other sites, as reusing passwords poses a significant security risk. You might want to record this password in a safe physical location just in case. Following this, you will create a master password for your NordPass vault. This is a critical security measure because the master password is the only way to access your stored data. Make sure it is exceptionally strong yet memorable, as it serves as the ultimate safeguard for all your sensitive information. After successfully setting up your account and master password, you will arrive at the main NordPass dashboard. This is the hub where you can fully utilize the application's features. You will notice several categories, including all items, secure notes, credit cards, and personal information. These designated sections allow you to safely store passwords, financial data, and other private details. Each category helps maintain a clean organization so you can always find what you need quickly. Additionally, there is a trash folder where deleted items are held if you change your mind later. For those who prefer even more order, NordPass allows you to build custom folders. For instance, you can create a dedicated folder for work-related logins to keep them separate from your personal social media accounts, ensuring easy access to specific groups of data. Under the Settings tab, you will find various management options, such as logging out, upgrading your plan for extra features, or changing your master password. A very important feature located here is the recovery code. This code is absolutely essential if you ever lose access to your master password, acting as a backup to ensure you are never locked out of your vault. Be sure to store this code in a very secure place for peace of mind. Now, let's look at the core function of NordPass, adding passwords. To begin, click the Add Password button to open the data fields. Here, you can enter the account title, your username or email, the password itself, and the relevant website URL. This allows you to consolidate all your login details in one place. To keep things tidy, you can sort these entries into the specific folders we discussed earlier, which is especially helpful if you manage a large volume of accounts. Once the details are entered, just click Save. Congratulations, you have successfully added your first entry. However, NordPass offers much more than just password storage. You can also save credit card details, secure notes, and personal contact information, making it a comprehensive digital security tool. You have full control to edit, update, or delete this data at any time. Furthermore, if you use multiple devices, NordPass will sync your information across all of them, so your logins are always available on your phone, tablet, or computer. One of the best features is the browser extension, which streamlines your experience by allowing you to autofill credentials directly on websites. This saves time and removes the need to manually type passwords. The extension automatically recognizes saved data for the site you are visiting and offers to fill it in for you. Next, let's explore the Secure Notes feature. This is perfect for storing sensitive details like Wi-Fi passwords, office alarm codes, or personal reminders. Simply navigate to the Secure Notes section, add a title, and type in the relevant information. Just like passwords, these notes can be organized into folders and are protected by the same high-level encryption. If you frequently shop online, The credit card section is incredibly useful. You can save your card numbers, expiration dates, and CVV codes securely. When it's time to pay, NordPass can autofill these details into the checkout fields with a single click. Similarly, the personal information section stores your address, phone number, and emails to help you fill out online forms faster and with fewer errors. If you ever need to share sensitive data with a partner or colleague, NordPass makes the process safe and encrypted. This ensures that only the intended recipient can view the information after authenticating their identity, which is far more secure than sending details via text or email. If you need to remove an item, simply move it to the trash. If you make a mistake, you can restore it from the trash section, or you can choose to empty the trash to permanently clear out old data. Don't forget to use the password generator for creating strong, random logins and the password health tool to check for weak or leaked passwords. You can also enable multi-factor authentication in the settings for an extra layer of protection. Finally, if you are switching from another manager, the import tool makes transferring your data effortless, while the export option allows you to create external backups whenever necessary. NordPass gives you total control over your digital security while simplifying your online life.